it's the annual tax preparation webinar training. Ang taon-taon na po ito sa Tax Help in the Philippines for you to better understand and yung mga tanong po natin regarding ITR filing. Tama ba to? Okay, on March 25, 9 a.m. to 12 noon for BIR Form 17,000 for individuals earning purely compensation income. And in the afternoon, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., the BIR 1701 form including MS, controversial na micro-small, individuals including mixed income earner, estates, and trust. On March 26 naman po, it's 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. BIR Form 1702 for the partnership and corporation. And our resource speaker, none other than Sir Rizaldi S. Minor. So, aside from po ng pag-attend sa webinar, you'll also help the proceeds goes and support to the free ITR tax assistance from April 6 to 10 in the locations in Laguna, Manila, Pasig, and Quezon City. We'll further give details po kung saan po yung mga actual dates kung kailan po ang ating ITR free assistance. Naka-train ka na, nakatulong ka pa.